Hello, hello, hello. I'm Chloe.
And I'm Leo. If this is your first time hanging out with us, welcome to the family. We are so incredibly happy you found us today.
That's right. On this channel, we don't teach textbook fluff. We help you speak English naturally, exactly like real people do in real life. Every single day, a brand new lesson.
Today, we are diving into one of our absolute favorite topics, daily habits and healthy routines. But we're changing the scenery. Welcome to foggy, beautiful London, England, home of historic streets, double-decker buses, and very, very unpredictable weather.
And very expensive umbrellas that break in 5 minutes. Exactly. Now, before we start our chat, I have a top secret question for our viewers. Something went completely wrong with Leo's morning routine today. He made a massive mistake before leaving the house.
Oh, come on, Chloe. Are we really telling the whole world?
Oh, absolutely. Listen closely to our conversation, look for the clues, and write your guess in the comments right now. We will reveal the funny truth at the very end of the video.
I am never going to live this down. Let's just start the conversation.
So, Leo, let's start at the beginning. What time do you usually wake up?
I always wake up at 6 a.m.
6 a.m. in the dark London winter? You are a brave man.
I love it. I usually jump straight out of bed, stretch, and head to the kitchen. I never skip my morning Earl Grey tea. It's a British law, I think.
I'm the opposite. I sometimes hit the snooze button 3 times. I cannot function without a hot shower first. What do you do after your tea?
Well, I often go for a quick jog around the local park. Even if it's drizzling rain, it really clears my head. Then I come back, get ready, and head to the underground station to catch the train to the studio.
Ah, the London Tube, the ultimate morning commute.
Oh, it's an experience, packed like sardines every single day. I usually listen to an English podcast or read an audiobook to pass the time.
That is a brilliant tip for our learners, turning commute time into study time. What about lunch?
I rarely eat a heavy lunch. I usually grab a quick meal deal, a sandwich, some crisps, and a smoothie, and sit by the River Thames if it's not pouring down.
Sounds lovely. By the evening, I am usually exhausted. I love to unwind by whipping up a big dinner, maybe a hot soup or a roast, and then I just switch off my phone and watch a good mystery series.
Perfect. I always turn in by 10:30 p.m. Routine is everything.
Perfect timing. Did you notice the specific words Leo and I used to describe how often we do things? We used adverbs of frequency.
These words are absolute game changers for describing your daily life. Let's look at the hierarchy from 100% of the time to 0%. Always. I always drink tea.
Usually or often. He usually listens to podcasts.
Sometimes. I sometimes hit snooze.
Rarely or seldom. I rarely eat a heavy lunch.
Never. I never skip my morning routine.
Notice where the word goes. It almost always sits before the main verb, like I always wake up, but after the verb to be, like I am usually tired.
Let's practice together, out loud right now. Repeat after me. I always study English.
She sometimes walks to work.
Brilliant. You sound more natural already.
Now let's break down the 10 best phrases for daily routines, complete with real-life stories.
Hit the snooze button means to delay waking up. I always hit the snooze button on Mondays.
Clear your head means to do something that helps you stop worrying and think clearly. A walk in the fresh air helps to clear my head.
Catch the train means to arrive on time to board a train. I have to run if I want to catch the train.
Grab a bite means to get something small or quick to eat. Let's grab a bite to eat before the movie starts.
Last Tuesday, I rushed out to grab a bite during our lunch break. I bought a classic British meat pie. I took one giant bite while walking, and the entire bottom of the pie fell out right onto my white shoes. I had to walk around the studio looking like I had a gravy accident. Eat carefully, friends.
Pass the time means to do something to keep busy while waiting. I play mobile games to pass the time on the bus.
Whip up dinner means to cook a meal very quickly and easily. Give me 15 minutes and I'll whip up dinner.
Switch off means to stop thinking about work or chores and completely relax. It's hard to switch off when your phone keeps buzzing.
Turn in is an idiomatic way to say you are going to bed for the night. I'm exhausted. I think I'm going to turn in.
Make it a habit means to do something so regularly that it becomes automatic. If you practice English for 10 minutes every day, you will make it a habit.
Packed like sardines is a fun idiom meaning crowded very closely together. The morning commuters were packed like sardines on the train.
Perfect. Let's do a lightning-fast recap of our 10 phrases today. Hit the snooze button means delay waking up. Clear your head means calm your mind. Catch the train means board your rail commute. Grab a bite means eat a quick meal. Pass the time means stay occupied while waiting. Whip up dinner means cook something fast. Switch off means mentally relax. Turn in means go to sleep. Make it a habit means form a routine. Packed like sardines means extremely crowded.
Perfect. Now it's time for the moment you've all been waiting for. Clody, tell them what I did wrong this morning.
Drum roll, please. Today it was absolutely pouring rain in London. Leo walked all the way to the train station, opened his umbrella, and realized he had grabbed his kitchen broom instead of his umbrella. He walked through London holding a broom over his head.
Hey, it kept a little bit of the rain off.
Oh, Leo, never change. All right, family, now it is your turn to practice. Write one sentence in the comments using an adverb of frequency and one of our new vocabulary words. For example, I usually grab a bite at 1 o'clock.
We read every single comment, so show us what you've got. Smash that like button, subscribe so you never miss a daily lesson, and we will see you tomorrow.
Bye for now. Keep shining.